Alam mo ang mga failures sa business, there is one common denominator. Ano yon? Yung negosyante, nagmamadaling kumita. Gusto big time kaagad. Gusto jackpot kaagad. Para bang swertihan. Yan ang mabilis bumagsak. You know why? Kasi nababiolate yung basic principle na ang pag-create ng wealth is gradual. Why gradual? You can only develop the discipline for business gradually. Hindi siya bigla. Hindi porke nag-attend ka ng seminar, kaya mo na. You have to do it step by step. In other words, know your customer first. Yan ang unang-una. And then, deliver the kind of value that they're asking for. And then, kung madadagdagan mo pa yon, deliver something unique to them na kailangan nila yung uniqueness na yun. Panalo ka. Kung walang iba makaka-deliver, no, then look for that. Pero makikita mo yon habang na-engage mo yung customer. Pero nagmamadali ka, paano mo gagawin yun? Hindi mo magagawa lahat yun. Kaya failures are happening because nagmamadali yung negosyante. Learn from the Bible. The Bible says gradual increase. You cannot be a big-time entrepreneur overnight. It's impossible. Follow that principle, gradual increase.